Heiress was inspired by Christina Onassis, and it's a 10-minute film that's really a character study about this woman who got written out of history. She was the last one standing after her father, Aristotle Onassis, her brother, her mother, all died within about 2 years, and she was left holding, at 25 years old, a shipping conglomerate, and where she has to buy a $27 million tanker and also find a date to the New Year's Eve ball in the same day.
That's great.
She died at 37 due to complications from substance abuse. And 3 months before we went into production, we lost a dear friend and a family member to substance abuse in our community. I lived in New York for a very long time, but now I live in rural Vermont, and we've lost several people to substance abuse there just recently. And I know that everyone around the world struggles with this and has lost someone they loved. And it made me rewrite that scene and think about the moment when she knows it's her choice, and yet there are people who are enabling her, and there are people that are trying to help her.
The best female actor.
Best ensemble cast for a short film.
Right, and goes to...
For the best film script.
Heiress.
I'm sorry, I need a picture with you in your dress. In honor, I think Lilli Kay would really want us to take a picture together. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.